Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to break down my full market outlook from November the 1st to November 17, based on structure, liquidity, and the current macro environment. So, first of all, before I explain, here in my webpage, the Cipher Space, you can go right and you will find newsletter. And you will find all my analysis. So let's see what is happening. Let's start first with the first part of the month from November 3rd to November 6th, as you see right here. From November 3rd to the November 6th, we're likely to see a bearish momentum across most of the market. The liquidity data and price action both show pressure to the downside, with only around a 30 to 45% chance of any meaningful recovery during that period. This means short-lived bounces are possible, but overall sentiment remains weak. Then as we move closer to the midweek around the 7th and the 8th of November, the tone shifts. We could see a temporary bullish window as liquidity consolidates and the market attempts to break structure on the upside. This is typically when volatility compresses before a move, a moment where disciplined traders position early, not emotionally. But don't get it too much comfortable, because right after that, around the 8 to the 9, the market may again turn slightly bearish. That doesn't necessarily mean a full crash. It's more like a shakeout designed to remove over-leveraged positions before the next real move. So overall, this 1st of November looks sideways to bearish, but that's exactly where real setups form. Because remember, every major leg up begins when the majority is tired, frustrated, and uncertain. Now, the key part of this outlook is timing. I'm watching two potential buying windows. One will be around November 9th and another around November 10th. If the market aligns with structure and we see strong liquidity absorption here, there, that could mark the start of the next upward phase. Why do I emphasize that? Why? Because most people trade based on emotion. They see red candles, they panic. They see green, they FOMO in. But structure tells you the truth, not emotion. So as I believe that crypto is not about drawing charts. There is hundreds of videos drawing chart, but it doesn't give you the upper edge because that's speculation. I think crypto, why 90 or 95% fail on crypto? Because they rely on charts and technical analysis. But I think crypto is more based on psychology. So my advice for this month is simple. Stay patient, don't chase volatility, and keep an eye on those two windows. The market doesn't reward those who rush. It rewards those who read it correctly. And by the end of this outlook period, we will have a better idea of whether you are setting up for another bullish wave or a deeper correction. But either way, structure will show us first. And that's the difference between guessing and understanding the market. So my advice for you is stay disciplined, trade smart, and as always, focus on data, not noise. As I mentioned, you can find here these newsletters in my webpage. You will find the link in the description. So let's see now the result of this week. We will go to our group and see the results only from 1 November. So let's start. First of all, we have this one, 7x and 19x, 5, 17, 5, 54, 11, 9, 7, 6, 21, 16, 8, 5, 5, another, and 35, 5, 5, 5, 7, 6, and 7, 11, 5, 20x, 6x, 5, 10, 28, 40, 10, 9, 5, and 5, 6, 5, 66, 6, 12, 6, 5, and 6, 10, 73, 17, 5, 6, 6, and 5. Another 14, not important for you, 5, 7, 15, 10, 10, and 6, and 5, 39, 7, 10, and 12. And that's it. That's from the 1st November. Of course, we have another ones more right here. We made great calls like this one. This one was in the 29th October. It was 139x, 6 and 5, 7, 15, 21, 5, 11, 17, 5, 7, 5, 6, 42x, 11, 9, 5, 7. I can go on and on. 27, 5, 8, 46, and 100. Yes, the same call. 16, 12, 9, 6, 20x, 8, 12, 9. That's it. That's for the 9th November. So, as you see, this great result in the meme coin channel. Let's see the group and see what it's doing now. Let's see our flagship channel, maximum room. What is happening right now? These calls just were given right now. Let's see. There is on 5x here. What is this? Let's see. These calls were given. If you didn't see the results in 1 hour or something, means it dumped. So it didn't do nothing. Of course, not all the coins we give. The calls, they do great result. Some of them dump immediately. So, but remember, we are scanning from 30 to 20,000 coin in a day made in pump fund, and we reduce that to 80 coin, and like 25 or 30 of them do incredible results. So that's 90% of the job is done for you. You just need to do your risk management. Continue 7x. 2x, I don't care about them. We never mentioned them. We only mentioned from 5 x's. And this is only one channel. So a 6x here. Those are this morning. And as you know, the market condition is terrible, 5x. So 10x, I can go on and on, but it's enough for today. So guys, thanks you for watching, and see you in the next video.